Man has always sought out the very best and perfect beard, and I wanted to explore whether there is such a thing as the perfect beard. What I've found over the years is that there are so many different types of beards, of styles, of cultures, of histories behind the variety of styles and looks. And you may have a really tapered and sharp and polished beard, you may have a rough and ragged beard, you may decide that actually you just want to rock the beard stash because that is awesome. The thing I love about beards is that every race and culture seems to have a different style, a different feel, a different look about it, and it just screams out diversity in a time when we need it. There's something special around how we look after our beards, how we groom them, how they become such a major part of our being, of our personality. It's an outward projection in so many different ways, and the amount of different beard care products, of grooming techniques and styles all across the world never ceases to amaze me in many ways. In short, there is no such thing as a perfect beard. There's just a mixture of different styles, of different looks, of different cultures and races, of different options that each one of us can embrace and enjoy. The pursuit of the perfect beard is a folly, and you just need to get comfortable with whatever you've got, whatever you have, and whatever you want to do. That's the perfect beard to me.